Hello and welcome to our farm animal sounds quiz. Let's get started. What animal made that sound? That's correct. That was the sound of a cow. Let's listen to the next sound. You're right. That was the sound of a rooster crowing. What animal made that sound? That's correct. That was the sound of a pig oinking. Let's move on to the next sound. You got it. That was the sound of a sheep bleating. What animal made that sound? Yes, that was the sound of a horse neighing. Let's listen to the next sound. You got it. That was the sound of a duck quacking. What animal made that sound? That's correct. That was the sound of a chicken. Let's listen to the next sound. You're right. That was the sound of a donkey braying. Let's listen to the next sound. Yes, that was the sound of geese honking. What animal made that sound? You got it. That was the sound of a goat bleating. Let's listen to the next sound. You got it. That was the sound of a turkey gobble. You've done really well on our farm animal sounds quiz. Write in the comments below how many animals did you guess. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel.